Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a drink that will help your skin glow, a drink that would help your, that would clean your body, and it will also make you look young. So if you're new, you're welcome. And how are you doing, and how is your day? Okay, so let me take you right into this video so that we can actually see this drink together and you can know all of the ingredients that I use in making this. This is superb. This is amazing, like, trust me. Okay, let's go. If you're aiming to get a glowing, flawless skin, you have to drink this antioxidant drink that would help your skin really glow, and your skin is gonna look like a baby skin. So this ingredient is what we are going to be needing. We're gonna be needing to use beetroot. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting just a little quantity of this beetroot, just a little, okay, not too much. Okay, so after peeling that, there would have to be okay, so we're gonna be taking that into blender. Put just a little water. And then we're going to blend this out. Okay guys, so after blending, then I'll be sieving this out. Okay, so I'll transfer this into a bowl. Now you see I have just a little of that beetroot juice because we actually do not need too much. So the next ingredient which we're going to be needing for our glowing skin remedy is watermelon. Yeah, so we're going to be taking a handful of watermelon. Now for your skin to glow, your skin has to be moist. Okay, it has to be moisturized. Okay, now watermelon is going to help you do that. It's going to help to moisturize your skin, and it's equally going to help to make your skin look like that of a baby's skin. So I'm going to be transferring all of this into a blender. So now we're going to blend it. Okay, so blending watermelon doesn't take too much of time. So would love to sieve it out. Okay, so this is the watermelon juice. So we're equally going to be needing some apple, okay. Since I don't want my juice to be super duper much, I'm gonna be cutting just a half of this apple. Now, apple contains antioxidants and it helps so much to rejuvenate, and it glows the skin like crazy. Okay, so we blend it also again. So we're gonna be sieving it out, yeah. So we get all of the full juice, just the juice. Okay, so this is the apple juice. And the next one is pear. Okay, so I have a half cup of pear and I'm gonna be using that. Okay, so now I'm going to be blending the pear equally. And this is my pear. Okay, so I'm not going to be sieving the pear out, yeah. And then also the last ingredient is gonna be orange. So I have my orange. So these are my ingredients. I have the beetroot, the watermelon, the apple juice, and my orange. So you see, these are the ingredients that you need. Combine all of this together and you will glow like crazy. So I'm going to be putting it in. So I have my watermelon put in there, apple, the pear, and of course my orange. So I'm going to be cutting a little quantity of orange and then I'll squeeze in the juice. And yeah guys, so this is it. My anti-aging remedy is set, and drink this guys. Wow, tastes nice. Wow, drink this every morning for a glowing, beautiful skin. Okay, take this for a younger and a fresher and a more radiant, smooth skin. Now this is gonna do all of the job. Yeah, now the thing is that when you're beautiful from the inside, now you're going to see the beauty radiate from the outside. Okay, so do this as often as you can. I would recommend you drink it every day and get that baby looking fresh, soft, succulent, and a smooth, younger skin, removing all of the wrinkles. Yeah, wow, this is actually very healthy, very delicious drink. So this is it. That's it. It tastes really good. It looks really good too, and it does a whole lot of good stuff in the body, and this is actually going to help you so much. Yeah, so go try this out and have your skin glowing, have your skin looking beautiful, and have a younger skin. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Stay beautiful and bye.